Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and how do you charge stuff while backpacking? Well, you can see we're out here in the Smoky Mountains, way in the middle of nowhere, and I've got my Apple Watch and my iPhone. So basically what I use is that device. I can charge two USB devices at the same time, and then you can see it's got solar panels, so it'll replenish itself during daylight. So I've got my Apple Watch, and then I've got my iPhone, and then I've got, that device is charging both. Really incredible thing. So, if you're doing backcountry camping and you want to keep your USB rechargeable devices charged, I highly recommend it. It's cheap. You can find it linked within this video's description, but it works really well. The only thing I ran into is when I was camping in 5-degree Fahrenheit weather, and it froze. But after it thawed or whatever, it worked fine. So again, expand this video's description and then click the link there and you can find where to order it online. Just be sure to have all of your USB cables for your devices that you'll be charging. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.